Dr. Paul Sachs, the clinical director of the Division of Infectious Diseases at Brigham and Women's Hospital, recently argued in favor of lifting the outdoor mask mandate in the Commonwealth, contradicting the governor's orders. Experts and community members have differing opinions about the mandate.
In his blog post, Dr. Sachs said, quote, "Transmissions do not take place between solitary individuals going for a walk, transiently passing each other on the street, a hiking trail, or a jogging track. That biker who whizzes by without a mask poses no danger to us, at least from a respiratory virus perspective." Dr. Sachs offered up the idea that the outdoor mask mandate may be harmful because it discourages outside activities and can push people indoors where they feel safe from public shaming. They are less protected, however, from the virus indoors, where Sachs believes masks are still important. Dr. Bill Rodriguez, an infectious disease doctor who has worked with Dr. Sachs extensively over the years, shared his perspective on the proposal.
Outdoor transmission is not the driver of this epidemic. So the fact that masks became widespread indoors and outdoors last year, it wasn't a bad thing when we didn't know much, there was uncertainty, and we needed clarity and simple messaging. Once we learned this by the middle of 2020, it started to make less and less sense to have people focusing on the risk of being outside. Casual contact of even less than 6 feet for a short period of time outdoors is not high risk. And that's what we know from scientific studies that are pretty rigorous. Prolonged contact within 6 feet outdoors without masks starts getting much riskier.
Here is what Arlington had to say about the order to continue wearing masks outside.
I don't think it's necessary in general to wear a mask outside. I do primarily because I always forget to put it on before I go in someplace. If I have it on, I don't have to think about it.
I think indoor should definitely be mandated. Outdoor, if we're far apart and it's windy, I don't think it's critical at this point in time.
I think exercising, at this point, I take it off when I'm walking until I come up to someone, and then I'll put it back on. I bicycle without it unless I'm on the bike path, which is very crowded. And I think those are sensible ways of using masks.
The governor's office has not changed the policy mandating outdoor mask wearing at this time, but hope is on the horizon for a return to normalcy. For ACMi News, I'm Isabel Litterst.